Hi everyone. For this question, we're going to find the equation of the ellipse that satisfies the given conditions and sketch the graph. So when you need to build out the equation of ellipse, we need center, we need value A, we need value B. Of course, sometimes we need value C to support to find out our AB. So depends on questions. So we have center here, which is 5, 1 given, and vertex here, which is 5, 4. So when we have these 2 points, we try to plot to see whether our ellipse is horizontal or vertical. So this is our x-axis, this is my y-axis. So 5, 1 here is the center, and then 5, 4 is the vertex. So center and vertex build up vertical, which means that our ellipse most of the time will be in vertical orientation. And one thing you can see x coordinate not change, y coordinate change, so they are moving outward. Okay, from the center you're moving outward to the vertex. So 5, 4 and 5, 1. This one value of 4 and 1, the distance from the center to the vertex is value of b. So 4 minus 1, I can get 3. So A will be horizontal and the end point of the minor axis. So minor axis here. End point here is 3, 1. So this is 5. Here will be 3. So if you're very hard to draw, I would sketch it more bigger. So 5, 1 is center. 5, 4 is vertex. So vertically. Major axis. Horizontally, minor axis. So here we have unit of 3. This is length of B and this is length of A. They said minor axis endpoint here will be 3, 1 here. Here is minor axis. So from 3 to 5, 2 unit. So A here is 2 unit. Then how about C? C square, we always taking the longer minus the shorter. So when you have vertical and ellipse, means you will using b square minus a square. Longer axis minus shorter axis. So b square is 9, a square is 4, c is square root 5. So the value of c can help us to find out what is your focal here. Alright, so this from the center to the focal is the value of C. From the center, go vertically, that it will be value of B. From the center, go horizontally, that will be value of A. So after we find out your ABC, we can build out our equation of ellipse. So x, you can see this is x equals to 5, this is y equals to 1, put in the bracket standard form, as x minus y, move it to the left hand side, square. So x is horizontally value of A is 2. 2 square gives us 4. Alright, A square gives us 4. Then y minus 1, vertical value b square gives us 9 equals to 1. So this is our equation. And we find out the point that we want because we need to label as center. We have it already. Center, which is 5, 1. Alright, so vertices, you're moving up, moving down, so x coordinate not change, y coordinate going to plus b and minus b, plus minus b, plus minus 3. So here we have 5, 4 or 5, negative 2. So we will touch until below x-axis here, we will go until quadrant 4. Okay, then we continue for focus, for the focus point. Also, x coordinate not change, just going up and going down for the value of c to find our focus. So y coordinate plus minus 5. So it will be 1 plus 5. Another coordinate 1 minus 5. And 1 minus 5 is negative, means our focal point here will be in negative below x-axis. Then we can draw it. So build our ellipse. When we want to draw our ellipse, we have to identify, is it going to touch y-axis? Is it over to the quadrant 2 or quadrant 3? You can see your value here. So this is your coordinate 5. Your distance to the endpoint just 2, come to 3, so positive value. Quadrant 2 and quadrant 3 not involved in the drawing. So your ellipse just at the position quadrant 1 and quadrant 4. Okay, then we draw this. Sketch means you need to draw it correctly. Logic in the position. So this one I just drafting so that we can get out the information, we can understand what's the question talking about. When you come to sketch, so you need to make everything in accurate. So this is value of 3, 1, 2, 3, and this one is 5. My major axis 4 at 5. Minus axis 4 at 1. Alright, so center at 5, 1. So minus axis is here. Center. Label 5, 1. Then vertex label, the high end here is 5, 4. Lower end here will be 5, negative 2. So I label here negative 2. This is 5, 4. Then focal point, which is 5, 1 plus 5 at the above. And this is another focal point, 5, 1 minus 5 negatively, so below x-axis. So make sure our diagram is labeled with vertex, focal point, and then center, then x-axis, y-axis, lastly with your origin. And beside labeling the point, coordinate should be stated out. So that's all for this question. Thank you for watching.